Now that the products are in the retailer channel, the supplier can start to review the attributes that the retailer has made available for each category. Some attributes will be mandatory, and there are ways to find out which ones those are and which attributes are optional. It will be necessary for the supplier to complete all the mandatory attributes before they can send any of the products to the retailer. To fill in the values for all the attributes, the supplier will map their own attribute data to the attributes of the retailer. They will be able to do this from the PDX mapping screen, where the supplier can choose which attributes in their source file goes with which attributes the retailer uses for products. The supplier will also need to ensure that each of their attribute values match the requirements of the retailer attributes. For example, the supplier might have provided dimensions of their products that are in different units of measure than what is required by the retailer. Or the supplier may need to use country code for the country of origin attribute rather than the full name of the country. With PDX, the supplier will be able to take the data from their internal systems, and if it is not in the format that the retailer needs, the supplier will be able to use transformations in PDX to make those changes. The transformations made are persistent, so if a supplier makes a transformation once, the system will hold that transformation, and all the new products will use the same transformations rules. With mapping and transformations, the supplier will be able to make sure their data is complete and in the right format before sending all the data to the retailer. This reduces errors and potential back and forth corrections.